Hey guys, here is 1 minute class. So in English, most of you guys, I'm sure that you are using very a lot, which is not a bad thing, but if you sound like more natural, you shouldn't use very too much. So for example, if you are hungry, I'm sure that most of you guys telling I'm very hungry, but it is not natural actually. Like you can say I'm starving. It's better. It's more natural. So for example, you can say it's accurate. It's very accurate, but you shouldn't say very. You can say this is exact. This is exact. So, or for example, you can say this is large. This is very large, but don't use very. You can say this is huge. This is huge. Yeah. So one more thing, one last thing actually. You can say, oh, this is simple. This is very simple. But don't say very if you are gonna use simple. You can say this is basic. It is basic. Thank you.